What's better than one OLED screen? Simply two OLED screens, and it runs circles around your old laptop while looking cooler than a superhero in sunglasses. Welcome to the Asus Zenbook Duo 2025, the laptop that redefines what too much really means. Here's the deal. If this video gets 10,000 likes, and I know it will never get, I'll put the Zenbook Duo head-to-head against a $5,000 MacBook Pro M4. Imagine a laptop so powerful it makes Elon Musk's Twitter fingers jealous. A laptop with not one but two stunning OLED displays, because apparently Asus looked at regular laptops and said, nah, let's make them question their life choices. And guess what? It doesn't just look futuristic, it performs like it came from the future. So buckle up, because today we're diving into the dual screen beast that will either revolutionize your workflow or give you an existential crisis about how boring your current setup is. Let's talk specs, but don't yawn yet. This isn't some snooze-worthy list of numbers. No. The Zenbook Duo 2025 is powered by Intel's new Arrow Lake processors. Yes, they sound like something out of a sci-fi movie. Specifically, this bad boy rocks the Core Ultra 9285H, a processor so fast it could probably calculate pi before you finish saying pi, with 16 cores, 16 threads, and a thermal design power of 45 watts. This thing eats tasks for breakfast. But here's where it gets wild. Its integrated graphics card, the Intel Arc 140T, punches way above its weight class. We're talking RTX 3050 levels of performance. That means gaming on one screen while pretending to work on the other. Totally doable. In fact, during my CS2 test, this laptop hit over 100 FPS at full HD resolution. Casual gamers rejoice. Hardcore gamers, well, maybe stick to your rigs, but still respect. And oh, those screens. Two 14-inch 3K OLED displays that are so vibrant, they'll make your eyes wonder why you ever settled for anything less. Seriously, using one feels like stepping into a Pixar movie. Battery life? Stellar. 6 to 7 hours with both screens blazing. That's longer than most people can stay awake during a Zoom meeting. But wait, there's more. Literally, the keyboard detaches. Yes, detaches. You can use the second screen as a virtual keyboard, draw on it, or even turn this whole contraption into a makeshift tablet. It's like Asus gave us a transformer, but instead of fighting Decepticons, it fights productivity bottlenecks. Now, let me tell you how this thing feels. Typing on the detachable keyboard is buttery smooth. It's slim, light, and somehow sturdy enough to handle furious typing sessions without wobbling. The trackpad, large and precise. Honestly, I wanted to keep typing just to hear the satisfying click-clack of the keys. The stand mechanism is genius. Extend it, and suddenly you've got improved airflow, better speaker positioning, and a slight tilt that makes typing feel ergonomic. Plus, when you open it all the way to 180 degrees, it transforms into presentation mode. Perfect for showing off your spreadsheets or, flexing your tech game in front of colleagues. Here's the kicker. Despite packing two screens, this thing doesn't feel clunky. Sure, the bottom part is chunkier because it houses both the secondary display and the keyboard, but overall it's sleeker than you'd expect. Compare that to Lenovo's YogaBook 9i, which splits the keyboard and stand into separate components. Cool idea, but honestly, who wants to carry extra pieces around? Asus wins this round. If Asus were paying me, which they aren't, I'd say this is the most innovative laptop of 2025. But since they're not, I'll just say, holy crap, this thing is good. For $1,700, you get top-tier specs, two jaw-dropping OLED screens, and a design that screams, I'm smarter than you. If you want a laptop that doubles as a conversation starter, triples as a productivity machine, and quadruples as a gaming rig, this is it. Link in the description if you're ready to upgrade your life, or at least your desk setup. All right, here's the deal. If this video gets 10,000 likes, I'll put the Zenbook Duo head to head against a $5,000 MacBook Pro M4. Who wins? You decide. Comment below with if you think this laptop is worth every penny or if you think it's overpriced. Bonus points if you tag a friend who needs to see this dual screen wizardry. Trust me, they'll thank you later.